Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This morning, when I arrived, I found something surprising. One of the main roof sheets had been torn off. A strong storm hit the mountain this week, and the wind simply ripped it away. I hadn't secured the lower guide wires yet. I thought I would do it later. Well, I was wrong. Or maybe not completely. Because now the sheet is much easier to reach. I can finally paint it properly. That's today's mission. Every trip here is a chance to bring more tools and materials. The pen sprayer for the insecticide, the mask, the lamp, and even a converter to get electricity from a 12-volt battery. Now I have enough spray paint to cover everything. That's the goal for the day. Paint all the roof sheets. This one is easy to reach now, almost too easy. The underside was already black. If I had flipped it earlier, I wouldn't have to paint it now. But at the beginning, I didn't think about painting any of them. I also met the man who lives nearby. I took a short break and talked with him. He knows so much about the village and about life here in the countryside. Now it's time to finish painting. And after that, I'll check all the other sheets. Fortunately, the rest of the roof is still holding strong. The wind didn't move them, but I think I might have a small leak here. Can you see it? I'm just happy the other sheets stayed in place protecting the house. But I won't fix the front sheets today. That will be for another time. Next time, I'll also take care of the other house. It's getting late now. Time to walk back home through the forest at night.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon in the next one.
that's the end for today. Let's go back.